Hey guys, we're in beautiful Easton, Massachusetts.
We're in Brockton, Massachusetts today.
Beautiful Hopkinton, Massachusetts. We're here in Dudley, Massachusetts. How was your overall experience with this?
It was great. It was really laid back, easy.
Easy. It didn't really, again, if I had a question, I'd call them up. Hey, what about this? Yeah, we'll take care of it. We're doing that. Okay.
If I have an issue with the roof, I call you. If I have an issue with the solar, I call you. It's not going to different places to get my answer.
Team Sunshine made it very easy for us to do this. The numbers that they presented were, made a lot of sense.
He didn't have to come and stand here and watch his construction company work. He literally stayed here all day until they were done.
Yeah, as far as the process, I mean, it was easy, and I got a couple of emails, a couple of DocuSigns I had to complete, but no really heavy lifting on my part.
Yep.
And you guys were always there to text or call, so if I had a question, I could just reach out, and you guys would get back to me pretty quickly. So, yeah, it was smooth, and I'm happy.
When we talked to you, I said, okay, this sounds good, but we need to think about it. And we thought about it and realized that it was time to do it. That the cost was wonderful. I mean, it was there for us.
I would think that a lot of people still assume that solar is super expensive and do not realize that there are incentives and ways to finance and all kinds of things. So again, for me, it was really about the environmental impact. And when I found out that it was actually going to be way more affordable than I had anticipated, then it was kind of like, oh, well, this is just like
a no-brainer.
A no-brainer.
Yeah.
I'm doing my part, to help the planet, however you want to call it, for my grandkids. I have 2 grandkids, and yeah, that's that's a thing. It's real.
It's renewable energy. It comes, right from the sun. It's basically free energy that we're not tapping.
Right.
And if we can run our house on free energy from the sun that you don't have to burn fossil fuels for, or anything environmentally damaging, then that's a really good thing.
And then in the same breath, they'll tell you what their electric bill is and start complaining about how much they're paying for electric, and okay, you can be paying half that if you're willing to put some solar panels on your roof.
Yeah. Have you got your first bill yet?
Yeah.
Yeah. And what did it say?
0.